Happy Global Youth Day 2022 from the Satala Day Adventist Youth in American Samoa. This is the time where we all get together and helping each other, especially this time of hardship with COVID-19. The vision of Global Youth Day is to recapture the reality of Adventist youth as a global movement mobilized for service, contributing to the proclamation of the everlasting gospel and ushering in the second coming of Jesus Christ.
Anywhere you lead me, I will go, 'cause you are the way, truth, and the life, Jesus. You never leave me, no forsake me. Except you build a house, the builders build in vain. Me, I go follow you to go. Anywhere you lead me, I go go. Jesus, my life is for your glory, your glory.
The Satala Youth Project for this year is visiting all our church families since the closure of gatherings due to COVID-19. Since the closure and restrictions, a lot of church families suffered financially due to closure of work, and it has been 4 weeks we never seen each other. And this GYD 2022 project will give them love and support and let them know they are not forgotten.
Life is for your glory, your glory. You make the little things I do be like saying a big deal. Oh, your grace makes the difference, just they embarrass me. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like the way you they lead me. Oh, promotion everywhere.
As the Bible says in Romans 12 verse 13, contribute to the needs of the people and seek them and show them hospitality. It is our duty and work to show them the love of Christ in providing goods and share the love of God. As the theme for this year goes, loving the forgotten.
Except you build a house, the builder builds in vain. Me, I go follow you.